Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, base enclosure, battery, wireless module, USB board, subwoofer, fan, RJ45 door, system board, display panel assembly, hinge covers, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display panel. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Place the webcam board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam board from the static-dissipative bag. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Place the webcam board onto the alignment pins that secure it to the display panel. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the display panel.